In this video, we're going to talk about properties of exponents. Now, if I'm given a problem, x squared times x cubed, when I'm multiplying two numbers with like bases, I can take and add the exponents. So I get x 2 plus 3 equals x to the fifth, which works the same for fractions. So I'm given something like x 1/3 times x 5/3 equals, just adding the exponents, I have like bases, x 1/3 plus 5/3 equals. Now when I'm adding fractions, I want to make sure that I have the same denominator. If I have the same denominator, then I just add the top. 1 plus 5 gives me a 6. And then I keep the denominator, 3. And if I look to see if I can simplify, 6/3 just gives me a 2. So I simplify this to be x squared. To go with another one, let's look at x to the 1/3 times x to the 1/2, which equals, again, like bases, so I add the exponents, x 1/3 plus 1/2. Now here, I don't have the same denominator, so I have to come up with an LCD. The LCD is 6. What did I multiply 3 by to get 6? 2. So I must also multiply the top by 2 to get a 2. I have to multiply this fraction top and bottom by 3. So I get a 3 here, plus, bring on over my x, which equals, add across, 2 plus 3 is 5, over 6. Now we were doing multiplication, now let's go over the rules for division. If I have a problem, x cubed over x squared, when we're multiplying, we're adding, so when we're dividing, we're subtracting the top from the bottom. So this can be written as 3 minus 2, top exponent minus the bottom exponent, which is going to equal x to the 1, which we can just write as x. Now to go over another one, we can say 7 to the 1/3 over 7 to the 4/3. Again, like bases, and I'm dividing, so I'm subtracting my exponents because I'm dividing. So I can say 7 and 1/3 minus 4/3, which equals 1 minus 4 should give me a -3. Keep the denominator, 3. 7 to the -3/3 power, that just simplifies. Becomes 7 to the -1. Now remember from our last video, when I have a negative exponent, I can just take the reciprocal and say 1/7 and make that exponent positive. So that's my final answer. Alright, if you want to see any more videos, please just post a comment below. Thanks.